Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Major low to blast Hawaii with the heavy rain, flooding and damaging winds. A powerful storm system will produce heavy rainfall, gusty winds and rough waves throughout the Hawaiian Islands for the remainder of the work week. The National Weather Service office in the Honolulu has issued a flood watch for all the islands from Wednesday through Friday afternoon as the rain rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour are expected for some areas. The rain and the flash flooding also increase the risk of mudslides and landslides for much of the islands. Footage from the agency on Sunday showed flash flooding at the Waimea Falls, a popular tourist attraction in the Oahu. In the footage, the huge swell of the muddy water comes from nowhere, crashing down the falls into the pool below. Another footage shows the water rushing downhill beneath the walkway bridge. On Sunday, on Maui, 3 girls had to be rescued by Maui County firefighters after they became trapped on the rock outcropping in the middle of the Io stream. In addition to the flash flooding, the storm system will bring the thunderstorms and damaging winds to the parts of the islands. Wind gusts of 30 to 50 miles per hour are possible on the island of the Kauai, where the storm system is expected to hit the hardest. The winds are going to be powerful with this thing, said the Fox weather meteorologist, and a high wind warning is in effect for the summits in the island of the Hawaii until Friday. Winds between 40 to 50 miles per hour with the gust peaking to 90 miles per hour are expected, according to the National Weather Service. Snow and ice are also possible for the high elevation portions of the Big Island. A winter storm watch is in place for the Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa through the Friday with 4 to 8 inches of the frozen precipitation. The National Weather Service advises travel near the summits could be very difficult to impossible at times, with the blowing snow severely limiting the visibility. After the system passes through the islands on Friday, conditions are expected to quickly improve for the weekend. The Forecast Center is monitoring the possibility of the system impacting the United States West Coast early next week with heavy rain and strong winds. And that's all for now. Stay safe and stay tuned with us here at It's Tomorrow News for more updates on this ongoing weather event. For more global weather updates like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.